It really is. It is the Mad Van. Woohoo! So now we got the Mad Van. Let's take a closer look at this. Ooh, looking nice. So there's the there's your brushless motor right there. What else we got on this? So there's that Brains 10. Is that what that one's called? We got that Brains 10, and that. That Brains 10 speed controller right there. And I believe that that is waterproof. And it's equipped with a cooling fan, and it's for brushless motors. Yeah, it's waterproof. And it helps with powerful acceleration. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to the power from this brushless motor. Of course, we got those oil-filled shocks. These ones travel a lot more, that's for sure. Four-wheel drive, of course, the MK2 chassis, and there's a long type upper and lower suspension arm. So, yeah, we'll see. This plastic right here kind of worries me a little bit. Where I live, it's very dry, and it makes me freaked out that it's going to crumble. And I did see a video on somebody talking about that. But we'll see. The wheels look great. They're, of course, glued. Yeah, they're glued. Nice looking wheels. And, yeah, I mean, this thing looks great. And we'll be running 2S on this. Let's take a look at the body here. Oh yeah. So it says it's an American style van. I know what it is. Let me know in the comments if you know what they're trying to go after here. And man, that one's sharp looking as well. These ultra scale bodies that Kyosho are doing, awesome. Absolutely awesome. I mean, yeah, look at that thing. I'm loving this red. It's that candy apple looking red. And then of course there is on the back here, there's a little wing that you could put on there. We might put it on, we might not, we'll see. But same thing, same radio comes with this one as well. And you know, throttle trim, throttle EPA, reverse, your throttle norm and reverse, and your steering norm and reverse, and of course your steering trim and steering dual rate, and it is angled. Same controller, same one. But yeah, I mean, this thing is great. Oh, here's the wheelie bar. We got a wheelie bar back here. Nice. But yeah, we're going to take this one out, test it as well, and we're not going to bash it, but we're going to drive it hard. And it's because the reason I say we're not going to bash it is because I don't think that's what this is made for. So, you know, I'm going to drive it hard though. We're going to get some good footage for you. But yeah, I mean, you let me know what you think. I think that these things are fine as long as you take care of them and you know, you clean it up when you get done using it, and you just gotta treat it right? But yeah, let's go test these things out. All right, everyone. Well, I just got to my test area, and we're gonna test out this Kyosho Mad Van. Here, I'll show you kind of the area, but yeah, this is basically what it looks like. It's great. There's never anybody here. It's kind of windy, but yeah. All right, well, let's get this thing opened up, get it out. So I've been hearing that nobody likes this, or it's the greatest van ever, and I've watched a couple videos where people are just bashing this thing like crazy, and I'm like, I don't think it's a basher. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think this thing's made for bashing. Does this chassis look like it's made for bashing? It's plastic. You know, like, all of this is plastic, 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 plastic. So if you shoot this thing off a ramp, what do you actually think is going to happen? Like, come on. But let me know in the comments if you agree with me or not. But yeah, we're just going to run a 2S today, and we're going to get this thing going. All right. So let me give you a little introduction here to the Mad Van. All right, this thing is extremely powerful. And this is just 2S. Woo! I mean, this thing is fast, 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 fast. So far, no problems. I haven't had any problems with it yet. So, let's see. Let's see. Everything's still looking good on this. It's sounding great. I mean, it rips out here. I'm gonna get it dialed in on this radio real quick, and then, yeah, let's get some more shots. All right, man, this Mad Van, this thing is insane good. I'm loving this thing. It's absolutely worth the hype. I flipped it right now, and as you can see, everything is fine. I mean, it's covered with sand, but we'll get it cleaned up when I get back to my garage. But yeah, I mean, this thing is great. I got it super dialed in, so let's check it out a little bit more. You kind of see this thing ripping. But I'm telling you, you dial this thing in, and you don't bash it, and you're gonna have a lot of fun, like a lot of fun. So I'm just gonna kind of drive it around here a little bit, let you kind of see. I got everything working correct on it. But as you can see, I mean, look at this thing. It just screams. It's just screaming. Screaming. Yeah. The Mad Van is definitely mad, and it definitely lives up to expectation. I would highly recommend one of these. Now, the whole thing about it is that they don't call it a hobby unless you gotta eventually fix something, right? So if this thing gets messed up, I'm looking forward to fixing it. That's the whole point. I love tinkering with this stuff. I don't know anything about half the stuff that I'm doing, but I still love it.
So, you know, like I'm learning, everyone's learning. But yeah, I highly recommend this thing. It's great. Don't treat it like crap, but drive it hard. I mean, I'm telling you, you get it dialed in and it's screaming. Woo! Woo! Little puddle there. Screams out. Oh yeah. Oh! Just jumped a log. Screaming. It's mad. Woo! It really is. It's mad. It's mad. It's mad. It's mad. Oh! Oh! All right. Well, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up back in my garage, and yeah, I highly, 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 highly recommend this thing. And like I was saying, it's not a hobby if you're not fixing stuff. I mean, the slipper clutch, like every single thing, you're eventually probably going to replace something. So, and you know, like, but if I bring this thing out here and I clean it and I take care of it, I'm not going to have problems. And then I'm going to enjoy when I fix it, right? But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. This is a great day. This Kyosho Mad Van is making my day great. But yeah, let's drive it around a little bit more, and then I'll see you when I get back to my garage.
All right, well, I'm back here in my garage, and yeah, that was a crazy day today. The Mad Van made it a mad day, but I highly recommend it. You can check it out right now. My dog's checking it out, but yeah, I mean, it's totally dirty, super, super dirty. The thing still works great. I didn't have any problems with it at all. The gears were fine, nothing was slipping. But yeah, I highly recommend it. And anybody that's interested in getting one of these, don't be afraid if the gear or something's gonna wear out, because that can happen on any of them. But yeah, no problems. I drove it hard, and yeah, I mean, things rocking. I'm gonna make a video on how to clean these things up, and I'll post that. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that one.